Okay, good day, guys. You're welcome again to my channel. I'm Joshua, the designer. Of course, I am the man that gives amazing content and structural designs and civil engineering designs at large. And for you to be on my channel, you will definitely become better, right? So, if you're new to my channel, you can do well by using the like button and the subscribe button so that you'll be able to catch all our releases first and as soon as we drop them. Right, today I want to give an amazing tutorial and very simple one on how to apply mildsteel and high yield reinforcement bars in your design using product structure. This is a very simple one, and I would like that you follow me as we go on. Okay, so having opened your product structure, you may want to go to analysis tab. So after that you have gotten here, you might want to use the building analysis. Yes, and this is where we have the major deal, and you can always edit material at this point. Then you would see the structural members being listed down here, both for the reinforced concrete members and the steel members, right? Then you have the compressive strength of concrete and also the steel grade. Then you also have the reinforcement um, grade here for concrete, the reinforcement grade on this side. Then you have the diameters of reinforcement on this side too, right? But this is where we have the major deal, the steel grade that we have here. So I'll click on grade 410 and let's journey together. Right now we have selected grade 410 in that place, right? And grade 410 and grade 460 will represent the high yield reinforcement bars, right? So, and that is what we have a description, a display character of Y. So we represent them with Y12, Y16, Y20, Y8, and all of that, right? So that is why we will have display character of Y, and we have the grade 410 up here, right? So also you have 460 grade, and you have material name for 60, and you have display character Y. Now you see discover that some people might decide to use some display character different from Y to represent their high yield bar, but commonly it is represented by Y. Yeah, so we have opportunity to do that using this drop down. Then you can select either A and down to whatever it is that you'd like to use, right? So depending on your standard and on your taste, right? So we have Y, whatever it is, representing the I bar, right? So this is how to go about the milestone if you want to apply that in your design. So you click on grade 250 plane, automatically your display character changes to R, right? Of course, you can choose to alter it, whatever it is, but commonly it is represented with Y, right? And you be sure that you have done that when the material name changes to grade 250 plane, right? So, and having done this, you can apply this to all the members of this material class in the story, right? So you can press OK. Automatically the application of your um, IE bars in your design has changed to mild steel. Now you can have your designs using mild steel bars, right? You discover that when you've done this, automatically all your reinforced concrete elements now have grade 250. Now, but let me say one thing before we'll end this tutorial, right? So I would advise that if mild steel is not unique, or there is a specification for that in your design, in that project, on that project you're working on, I would advise that you go for a high yield bar, right? So it has more higher compressive strength, 460 newton per millimeter square or 410 newton per millimeter square. I would not advise that you go lesser than that. The I would not I would not advise that you go lesser than that, seeing that it has the yield strength rather higher than that of mild steel. Yes, so this is very simple And I like that you take note of this in your designs. And in case you have any difficulty around understanding this that we've just said, you may use the comment section, as I'll be there to attend to all that you will be asking or all that you'll be needing. Yes, thank you very much for hanging around in this video. You may also do well. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share to your friends, share with your colleagues that should get better with structural engineering. We see the next tutorial. Bye.